hand on the... What the... Oh my god!
What happened, babe?
Ah! Ah! Oh my god, what is he doing? Babe!
Babe, what happened?
Oh, shit. I don't know.
Babe.
I got into an accident. Oh my god. Oh my god,
Where are
babe.
you?
I'm on the Bell Parkway. This guy just reversed into me. What the hell is going on?
Reversed into you?
Yeah. Oh my god. Oh, fuck, I'm shaking.
Oh my god. Babe.
Yeah.
Just stay there. Oh my god.
Fuck, oh my god.
Where on the Bell Parkway?
Oh, holy shit. You know, after that turn?
Yeah.
Fuck. Oh my
babe,
god.
it's okay.
Alright, hold on. Hold on, okay? Fuck. What happened? Hold on, babe. Oh, fuck. Wait.
Why isn't he moving? Hey, you are in reverse, mister. Don't hit me. He hit me. At least I am recording it. He better not drive away. He's going to be annoyed when he finds out I was filming.
I just proceeded to treat it like an accident. You know, I asked them if they were okay. We were able to exchange information. The guy in the video, he told me that the female was the driver and she doesn't speak any English.
But then take a look at this. The backseat passenger is trying to put a covering on the back window as the driver climbs over into the front passenger seat before getting out of the car, pretending to be injured. They pull out their phones to record the damage.
I'm shaking. They were rushing to leave. They were like, well, we have to go pick up our baby. And so basically when I turned around to go check on the car, they just like got in their car and left.
After watching the footage, they believe they were being scammed.
Taking the videos to the police, they pretty definitively say that they've seen similar scams like this.
According to the National Insurance Crime Bureau, fraudulent automobile accidents occur more frequently in urban areas where there is a greater volume of vehicles, and criminals prey upon women driving alone.
Girl, boy. Dad. Did we hit the... Damn it. So stupid. My glasses.
The lady didn't know the submitter had a dashcam installed on his car. There was only one lane open due to road work just before the tunnel, so everyone had to merge. The lady driver of the white Camry tried to speed up to cut the submitter off before tried her best to convince it was the submitter's fault, but the dashcam video did the justice.
Can you do something for me? Go recording on a big check for me. Top dog, do your thing, top dog, do your thing. Do your thing, top dog. This shit don't stop. Top dog. Can you do something for me? Go to court and win a big check for me. Top dog, do your thing, top dog, do your thing. Do your thing, top dog. This shit don't stop. Top dog, can you do something for me? Go to court and win a big check for me. Top dog, do your thing, top dog, do your...
Video's playing, and I'm trying to understand why they're saying it's the driver's fault partly. Let's see what she's doing. Left turn.
Really?
Well then. So Mercedes basically just crashed into this poor lady who was actually, seemed like she was doing everything she was supposed to do. And she got smacked by this Mercedes truck. I'm sure the insurance company's trying to blame her because they don't want to pay the claim, even though it's clearly the other driver's fault. So in my humble opinion, after doing this for almost 20 years and having probably the largest insurance practice in the state of Florida, I would 100% say the driver at fault is in the black Mercedes. If the insurance company on the other side is refusing to pay for her damages or her injuries because they're trying to partially blame the other driver, I would 100% get a lawyer and probably sue the shit out of the person that hit her, because her insurance company seems like they're not stepping up to the plate.
All right, let's see here. Oh, hello. All right. That was pretty funny, but we have to move on. There's some brake checking going on here. And that is why you always have to have a dash cam, just in case you come across some of these dingleberries doing these stupid stunts. But anyways, let's see how this one will end. Come on now, power! Whoa, hold on. Oh, come on now, dude, just give up. Take the L and leave. Oh, he faked the move to the right and went to the left. Oh, you see, speed and power is always the answer. Wise words, Jeremy Clarkson, wise words. Whoa. Whee! Oh, this guy is a train wreck. And by the way, this is from my country, unfortunately, so yeah, not too proud of this guy, not too proud. Alright, let's see what's going on here. Nice place, by the way. Whoa, break, don't let him win. Yes, take the L and do a walk of shame. And why are you running? Oh, come on, dude.
Oh my god! Be calm. Do you want me to call the cops? Yes or no? Are you okay?
I'm good.
Careful getting out. Yes, we just got into an accident on the service road of 1604. Well, it's on the service road by Texas Roadhouse. Yes, ma'am, yeah, we're pulling into the parking lot where Longhorn Cafe is. The car pulled out in front of us, and we have it on dash cam. Not that I know of, but I'll give you her license plate. I don't think she's going to take off, but just in case. It's a Dodge Charger. It's like a dark blue purple color. It's
KMN
6794.